It was really good, people. Welcome back. Stu's back at me. How you doing? How you been? I have this 2012 Honda Accord. I'm going to show you how to replace the left rear caliper. Shout outs to everybody that support the channel, subscribers, viewers. What you're waiting for? Subscribe now. You want me to reach more people? Share this video. Anything you want to say, put it in the comment box. You want to support the channel? Don't forget to show your appreciation as a return of kindness. Hit the super thanks button. It look like a heart. Click on it, go through it, show your love, do your thing. Come on, let's do it. Come on. Right, so we come over here, left rear. See it all wet. Piston caliper seals. We're gonna replace that, alright? You see how it looks like. And also I'm gonna show you how to replace the rotor and brake pads. We're gonna remove the tire first. We're gonna pinch this line, so we're gonna remove the line from the caliper. It's not leaking. We have two screws over here that hold the rotor. I'm gonna have to remove this cable right here. Right, so come over here. Yeah, 12 millimeter. This cable is easier to remove from that hook, just like that. This is gonna be 14. Okay, that's one. That's two. I'm gonna lose this guy. This is for the line. It's gonna be 12 also, just a little bit, just to break it loose. Yeah, that should be enough. See the line, right? I'm gonna pinch it. Not pinch it, but I'm gonna do this so it's not leaking. Just like that. We'll remove the caliper now. It's stuck there. So for this, it's gonna be 17. I'm gonna use a wrench because I don't have that much space. Okay. I can use 17 swivel here at the bottom, but over here I'm gonna have to do it manually with the wrench ratcheting. It's manually. There we go. All this is trash. I mean, you can reuse the bracket though, but when you buy the caliper, it comes with the bracket. You know what I'm saying? This is the new guy right here. Okay. I'm gonna remove this. Okay. I'm gonna remove this with a 14. Okay. 14 millimeter. Right. So I'm gonna remove this. This is where the line is gonna go. You get the new washers. For this guy, you're just gonna remove it. Just like that. Why is it stuck in there? I don't know. There you go. Let's go. Okay, now I'm gonna make sure this sometimes these bolts are not the same thread. But it looks like it's the same. Okay, we're good. We're good. Just hit it with the hammer, just like that. And go here. They goes here in the line, and the other washer goes here. Okay. So let me get my angle. There you go. Tight it, snag it. Careful with the electric guns. They're strong. They don't look like it, but they're strong though. So now, screw, screw go here, like that. Before you put it there, hook it up here first. Get up here first, like this. Okay. Now you can go right there. Put the bolt. Yeah. So with this guy, right? 12 millimeter. Pretty much. Tight it. Should be Gucci. Tight it from. I have an angle. Yeah. That's Gucci. That's Gucci. Now here I'm gonna remove this bolts or the rotor. This is the bonus, right? The bonus video. How to replace the rotors and the brake pads. Oh, this one doesn't have shoes. I'm sorry for what I said earlier. I thought you had shoes. Let's spray some brake cleaner. With Gucci. This rotor cleans it. Clean both sides. Spray some brake cleaner. Wipe it. Flip it. Now these two holes, they are different from the studs holes, right? These two, they gotta match with this hole right here. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna match it. Put it like that. Everything Gucci. Clean this side too. Wipe it. Right. It's the same though. No biggie. So, like I was saying, you can use The caliper comes with hardware, and the brake pads come with the hardware too. So it's up to you which one you want to use. There's no difference. So same thing. Okay, that's how you mount it. Just like that. It's Gucci. Just put some silicone, very lubricant. I'm using this. You don't have to use the same brand. It's not like your brake is peaking. The lube over there. I prefer to do it now before I mount it though. Because if I mount it and then I put the lubricant, I might get it on the rotor of keeping it clean. I'm gonna mount this now. One on top too. Tight it, snug it. Okay, there you go. That's your Gucci. Now, install the brake pads. Just gonna go like this. Just like that. Do the same on the other side. Remember, the clip that top of a sensor. This is the thing that is gonna tell you when you need to change your brakes. You have to go down, okay? Just like that. They keep the brake pads bouncing back. Just gonna put it back. Same way you remove it from the old one. Same way I bounce and you have to do it again. Just mount the caliper. That. Put the bolts that hold the caliper onto the bracket. Okay. 14 millimeters. Good. Should be good. Yeah. I'm gonna remove this guy right here. Now the brake fluid can flow normally. And loose it. Tight it again, just a little bit. Okay. Now we're gonna go under the hood now and pour some brake fluid in there. Now you come here under the hood. This thing looks empty. It's supposed to be all the way over here where it says mats. Turn it counterclockwise. Over here it's gonna tell you that 3, use that 3 or that 4 fluid, brake fluid, okay? Right there, that 3, that 4, right where my finger is. Now we're gonna tap it off. So it looks like synthetic. That should be good. It's all the way to the top. Okay. Now, I'm gonna put this back. We're gonna come here to the driver's seat, step on the brake pedal, to create pressure. Okay, it's getting hard. Pause. Okay, that should be fine. I mean, it's not getting hard though, but it's because there's a lot of air in the system. Okay. Here, where everything is beautiful, I'm gonna use this. Okay. This work as a vacuum. This thing is gonna suck all the air from the that is in the brake line. But this one is connected to the air compressor. Your wrench over here.
So what's happening right now
It
is the
falls in there.
vacuum is sucking air, building pressure
Just press
until
this.
you open the valve. Once you open the valve, the vacuum is going to start sucking air, more air, more air, and then it's going to start sucking fluid. Try to open and close the valve. And when you open it, try to open it gradually so you see the bubbles, the air coming out more than the fluid. You do this for until there's no more bubbles, then go to the brake pedal, step on it, press on it a few times just to build pressure, just to push the air out. Then go back to this and do the same. Put the vacuum to work, open the air valve, and in this way you're not gonna need no help. This is how you do it with only one man.
That's pretty much it. Guys, before I go, that's a part number for the caliper. Okay, made by Ray Bestos, FRC 1216 4C. Okay. The rotor, made by the same brand, Ray Bestos. Oh, okay. That's part number 980577R. That's for the rear rotor. Okay. Now the brake pads, same brand as the part number MGD 1336CH. Okay. That's for the brake pads, rear brake pads. Right?